What a beautiful morning! Yes, it is. Mom, look, there. What is it? A wallet. A wallet. Be careful. There is money. We must find the owner. Whose is it? Let's look around. Mom, that man looks worried. Let's ask him. Excuse me, did you lose something?
Yes, my wallet.
Is this your wallet?
Yes. Thank you. Everything is here. Thank you.
I'm happy.
You are an honest girl.
Thank you. This is for you.
This is for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Helping you is enough. You have a kind heart.
Thank you again.
Thank you again.
Have a nice day.
I'm proud of you. I just did the right thing. You made someone's day brighter. Kindness always comes back.